Let's do a twist on croissants. These two are stuffed with boar's head corned beef from the deli and also pepper jack cheese with jalapeno from the deli. But they don't have to all have that. You can put anything you want to in there. Let's play with it. Cause yummy. Yes, yes. Deliciousness. Oh, I tell you, I put pickled jalapenos in there too. That is so good. So today I'm using pre-made and cheese sausages, already cooked, croissant rolls, pickled jalapenos, and that's sliced up string cheese. I just get it really mixed. I try to cover the cheese and keep as much in there as I can. This is a Pyrex dish, which I have lined with parchment paper, and the oven is preset at 375 degrees. They've been in there for 10 minutes. We're gonna let them rest for just a minute and let them cool, and then we're gonna taste one. Cheesiness, yummy. Everybody have a blessed night. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon. Greg says hi.